Hello kids! Today we're gonna learn about colors. First, we have yellow. Yellow. Can you say yellow? An example would be yellow banana. Yellow banana. The second color would be red. Red. Can you say red? An example would be red apple. Red apple. The third color would be blue. Can you say blue? Blue. An example would be blue balloon. Blue balloon. Next, we're gonna mix colors. Yellow plus red equals orange. Yellow plus red equals orange. Can you say orange? An example would be orange shoes. Orange shoes. Yellow plus blue equals green. Yellow plus blue equals green. Can you say green? An example would be green leaves. Green leaves. Blue plus red equals violet. Blue plus red equals violet. Can you say violet? An example would be violet grapes. Violet grapes. Red plus white equals pink. Red plus white equals pink. Can you say pink? An example of pink would be pink cotton candy. Pink cotton candy. Those are just basic colors. There are more and more colors out there. Now, it's your turn to mix and match. Make your world more colorful. Bye!